Hey, thank you for clicking on today's video. I'm going to show you real quick the 8 spots you should oil your spinning reel. Okay, the first thing you want to do is make sure you have oil. This is bantam oil. This is a flathead screwdriver, a rubber band. This is optional, but I recommend using this, and a Q-tip. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and take it apart, which is really simple. You just unscrew the handle, put that aside, unscrew the cap on the opposite side, unscrew and pull off the spool. Put that to the side, leave the cap there. So now you just have the reel itself. So you want to take, first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and just wipe off all the excess dirt and grime. So I went wade fishing with this not too long ago, and it took on some water. So just take it and just go around it just to get some of the dirt off. You can see there's some dirt on there. This is a great way to make sure that your expensive spinning reels and gears in working order. And there's some dirt and grime there. Just kind of just clean that up. Get the spooler, line spooler. You might want to grab a few extra Q-tips. Yeah, there's some dirt and grime there. Yeah, it's all dirty right there. I got some extra ones here. Let's go here. Just want to clean that off. Look inside, getting dirt and grime. Okay, so we got that part done. So we'll just start oiling. So we'll start off with the actual reel itself. So you want to make sure that you have the shaft is fully exposed. Right there. Okay. Just one drop. Just one single drop. You don't need to put more than one here. Just be really careful. Just one. And just spin it until the shaft goes up and down. Okay. Then you want to oil the bearings on both sides, so just one drop. I don't think I got it yet. There you go. One drop here. Flip it around. One more drop. There you go. Same thing. Turn the spool. You'll see the bearings move. Now you want to oil the line holder. Just one drop. And this is where the rubber band comes into play. Gets it all over. That line right there. Another spot you want to, the other two spots right here. Let's do this. Here. Here. So the next one is the service port. Go ahead and get a screwdriver. It's a very short screw. Unscrew it. And here I like to put 3 drops. 1, 2, 2, 3. Set that down. What you want to do next is, let's go ahead and do this. So this is a GoMex's power handle, and right out of the box, once I spin it, I'll just keep spinning and spinning. And I've been using this weight fishing, so it's kind of seizing up. I mean, it doesn't have the free spinning as it used to do. So just one drop here. Totally missed it. Now all you gotta do is just put everything back together. That's pretty much it. I mean, that's just oiling your reel. Just give it some turns. That's it.